Hey guys, what's going on? This is Darius and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'll be reviewing AI podcasts, which in a nutshell, this is a software that will basically generate an entire podcast for you with everything. I mean, we have the characters, we have the script, we have the voiceover, we have the video. Everything is generated using AI podcasts. And just to give you an example of exactly what you can create, I have these two examples in here. As you can see, we have a 4-panel podcast and also this one, which is a 2-panel broadcast, right? Like 2 characters, 4 characters. So let me play you the first one.
Hey everyone, welcome to today's episode where we tackle a big question. How is AI changing the job market? Are we heading into a new work revolution or should we all be worried?
Yep, AI is automating everything from customer service to content creation, and people are asking, will they
learn to code and move on?
That's why governments and companies need to step in with training programs.
Okay, and we have the second example.
Hey Mira, I keep seeing posts about people making money online, and I'm like, how? What's the secret?
Haha, there's no secret, Aisha. 2025 is literally the best time to start making micro niches, or even running paid ads smartly.
Okay, so let's say I want to start today. Step 1?
Step 1, pick a method. Freelance.
Now, if you pay close attention, this is like a real podcast. And if you noticed that the script, the actual script, is not that robotic. I mean, it's very human-like. And also the voices sounds really, really good. I mean, they have integrated 11 labs. So if you bring in your API key, you will have the best voices. Also, they have the built-in voices, but they don't sound as good as the 11 labs voices. But in a nutshell, this is what you can create with this software. A fully fledged podcast, right? Podcast videos. Also, you can create audio podcasts. And what's nice about it is that you can also create your own AI characters. So as you can see, they have pre-made characters, but you also have my characters. And I have created these character, which is called Maria. Now, I have generated the image using ReadChat. And by the way, ReadChat, it's a software that you will get access if you get AI podcasts through my link. Now, ReadChat, in the past week, we did some work on it because we've added more features, okay? And for example, with the AI images, as you can see, this is the image that I've generated using ReadChat. With ReadChat, we have added more stable diffusion models. And also we have more options in here, including the image resolution, so you can get the best aspect ratio, and also some advanced settings and so on. But also with ReadChat, you get the AI voices and also this AI YouTube feature, which allows you to basically create blog posts based on a video URL from YouTube. And the best feature that we have added is not ready yet. It's half done. You can generate user-generated content. Okay, like videos. So we have 2 options in here. We have AI avatar videos and also AI avatar photos. So with AI avatar videos, you can basically create user-generated content with the best actors, with the best voices, and so on. With AI avatar photos, you can create videos based on one image with lip syncing, best voices, and so on. And let me actually give you an example of a video created with AI avatar photos. So we have the image, right, which is Maria.
AIPodcasts is designed to make podcast creation effortless and fun. Whether you're just starting out or already have an audience, our powerful AI...
As you can see, the perfect lip syncing, the best voices, and so on. And now let me give you another example. And this example is for a user-generated content video. As you can see, we have the actual actor.
Are you ready to protect your vision? Discover the 6 powerful vegetables that can help restore your eyesight and lower your risk of cataracts and glaucoma. Spinach.
So I hope you get the idea. This is basically user-generated videos, and they will be also added soon inside ReadChat. Okay. Now coming back to AI podcasts, right? So I have generated the image using ReadChat. As you can see, is this one here. And I've uploaded inside AI podcasts, right? And they give me this character, which is pretty cool. And also if I click on play character, you can actually see the entire video and also her movement, her lip syncing, and so on. So this looks absolutely amazing. So I will show you how everything works. But before I do so, I just want to mention that I left a link below in the description of this video. And if you click on that, you'll be redirected to my website where you can find more information about the pricing, the bundle deal, the upsells, and also all my bonuses. And if you get AI podcasts through my link, you will get all of these bonuses listed on my website for absolutely free. And for the pricing, I will talk about later on in this video. Now, this is going to be your members area after you log in. And you have two options. You have the option to create audio podcasts and also the option to create video podcasts. So I will go with video podcasts because audio podcast is basically pretty straightforward. So I'm going to give this a name. So let's say Darius Reed. You can select the country. You can choose whatever country you want. And also for the language, you can choose whatever language you want. And as you can see, we have number of people. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 people. I will choose 2 people. And also we have the aspect ratio 16:9, like YouTube videos and so on. 9:16, which is Instagram, TikTok, and also 1:1, which is Facebook. So I will choose 16:9. And also the audio duration, you have like 1, 2 minutes, 2 to 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, and also 10 minutes plus. So let's do a medium one. And as you can see, we have video styles. So we have these panels, and the panels are basically, if you have 2 people, you have one on the left and one on the right. But if you choose like solo, so the first character, if the first character is speaking, is going to show the first character, and then the second character, if the second character is speaking, obviously they will show the second character. Now I will do a panel podcast and I will click on next. Now, as you can see, we have the content source. So you can describe the podcast, the idea, and it's going to generate the entire script using AI. We also have website link, so you can basically add a URL in here, or you can upload a PDF. Now, for this example, let's say how AI is changing the way businesses sell online. And I will click on next. As you can see, it's going to generate the content, and the content is going to appear here. As you can see, we have the script, which is fine, and I will click on next. And on this page, you want to select your characters. If you want to choose your characters, just go to my character and click on select. But I will choose the pre-made characters, and you can also play.
Hello, I'm your AI assistant, here to help, create, and engage.
So you can check out the voices. Now, these are the basic voices from AI podcasts. If you integrate 11 labs, you can change these voices as well. So I will choose Mia, and I will choose also maybe Ryan. I will select Ryan. Click on next. As you can see, we have Mia and Ryan. Click on next, and there we go. This is the actual script, and it's divided. So Mia says this stuff, Ryan says this stuff. Obviously, you can add more text if you want to. You can delete it and so on. But as you can see, this is the actual script. Now, if you want to change the voices for these 2 characters, right? So we have Mia, and the voice is Eden. If you click this edit button, as you can see, we have 11 labs, but you have to add your own API key, right? And then after that, you can select those 11 labs voices. And I'm okay with this. And by the way, just check out the script. Like, hey everyone, welcome to Shopping in the AI Age. I'm Mia and I'm here with Ryan, right? Hey, glad to be here. Today we're diving into a world where your shopping cart knows what you want before you do. Sounds a bit sci-fi, right? Totally. It's like magic. So as you can see, this is like real human, written like a real human. So I will just click on generate video podcast. It's going to generate the podcast, and you have the option after the podcast is generated to further edit it. And it's going to say awaiting customization in here. But until then, it's going to take like a few minutes, 2-3 minutes. What I also want to cover in the meantime is the AI characters, okay? So if I go to create new character, you can generate the character using the software, or you can upload your character. Now, for example, if you upload the character, obviously you can add a picture of yourself. So let's give this a name, Mia, age, let's go with 30. You have the option to select the voice, and let me just download an image from Richard, an image that I have created earlier. So I can upload these inside AI podcasts, and we have this one. Click on open, and it's a female. So let me select the voice, and as you can see, you can choose the language. So I'm going to go with English, the gender female, and as you can see, we have a ton of voices, but in my opinion, they don't sound really that good.
Hello, I'm your AI assistant, here to help, create, and engage. Let
Mia sounds good. Let's go with Riley, maybe.
Hello, I'm your AI assistant, here to help. Hello, I'm your AI assistant.
Hello, I'm your AI.
Hello, I'm your AI assistant, here to help.
Hello, I'm your AI assistant.
Okay, I will choose Willow just for the demo purpose. I will click on confirm. So we have the AI image, the image. Again, it can be your own image, your own portrait photo. The voice, the female, age 30, name Mia, click on generate character. And now it's going to generate a podcasty style female character. And as you can see, this is the image. If you don't like it, you can update and regenerate. And essentially, this is how you can create a new character. And if you go to my character, it's going to be here. And as you can see, it's processing. Now going back to video podcasts, as you can see, we have awaiting customization. Just click on these three dots and click on edit. Now, this is not a fully fledged video editor, but it's a basic video editor where you can essentially add some background music. You can generate captions automatically. You can add some images like logos, videos, and so on. And as you can see on the left-hand side, we have the script. We have the timeline in here. And you can choose maybe one of these slides. And let's go the first slide. Click on play.
Hey everyone. Welcome to Shopping in the AI Age. I'm Mia Macias, and I'm here with Ryan Farrell.
And on the right-hand side, you will have some options in here, right? And the background, you can add the images, videos, you can upload your own. Also, you can create AI images, and you can basically just search for, let's go with fitness. You search for these specific videos that you want, and yeah, you can add them from here. You also have the media as well. We also have the text, so you can add some text if you want to. The background music. We also have the layered animation. So if you add some text or some media, images or videos, you can animate those layers. We also have the credits, and we also have the caption, right? So this is pretty cool actually, because you can basically have captions on your podcast, and you can select from these templates. So let's do the first one like so. And we have the volume control, we have the voiceover, and also the background audio. We also have the call to action. If you want to add the call to action, you can do so from here. And also under the settings, you can add the logo or add a watermark. So basically that's the video editor. And as I said, it's a pretty basic video editor. So yeah, but the best part about these is that you can add captions, which are pretty cool. So yeah, now as you can see, if I want to preview this podcast, we have a podcast generation in progress. So essentially, you will have to wait a bit until everything is going to be generated, okay? Because I've chosen the caption styles. So it's going to take a while until the captions are added. So in the meantime, let's talk about the pricing. So we have the front-end offer, which is $37. And after you buy the front-end offer, you will be presented with some upsells. Now we also have a bundle deal. So the bundle will include everything that's under the pricing. So the entire funnel at a one-time payment. And if you use this coupon code, you will get $50 off. Now the price is going to be $317 on the sales page. But if you use this coupon code, the final price is going to be $267, right? And you get everything that I'm about to show you under the pricing. So We have the front-end offer, $37. Then we have the OTO number 1, which is the unlimited version, and this unlocks unlimited podcast creation, extended episode, and faster AI processing. OTO number 2 is going to be $67. You can remove the background, AI-powered translation, and advanced sound design tools. Enterprise OTO number 3, $57. This is going to be the white label version for agencies. OTO number 4 is going to be Academy, $97 to $197, and they will give you some done-for-you podcasts that you can just upload to YouTube or Spotify or wherever. And essentially, this is a done-for-you service with full podcast marketing strategy. Now, if you don't want the bundle, okay, so for example, you are going to the sales page and you get the front-end offer. Immediately after you buy the front-end offer, you also have the option to buy the bundle inside the funnel, which is $230. But if you want to go all in, just get the bundle by clicking this green button. If you want the front-end offer and maybe some of those upsells, just click on this purple button. Now, as you can see, this podcast is still processing, and this is the worst part about this software and these cloud-based softwares in general, because you have to wait, right? So it's been like 4 or 5 minutes and this podcast is not generated yet. And the worst part is you have to wait. So expect waiting about 10 to 15, maybe 20 minutes, depending on how long your podcast is, because this AI has to put everything together. So the voice, the script, divide this dialogue with 2 characters. So yeah, but it works. You don't have to worry about that. And when everything is done, just click on render, and the rendering process again is going to take from 5 to 15 minutes, depending on how long your podcast is. And in a nutshell, guys, this is it. Make sure you check out the link in the description of this video. And if you want to get this through me, just click on these buttons depending on what license you want to get. I highly suggest getting the bundle because it's going to give you absolutely everything, even fast processing. Okay, this is the front-end offer, what I have here. And as you can see, the processing is really slow. Even if you don't get the bundle, just get the unlimited version, right? Which gives you access to faster processing, right? So yeah. Now, if you have any questions, guys, make sure you ask them below, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe.